repair zone. We're going to clean up corrosion, battery corrosion. Battery posts, or the clamps, the inside the box. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a little bit of warm water, and there's probably I don't know, maybe a quarter cup of baking soda. Now you just take it and you bring it, pour it on here. You'll see what happens. It'll start bubbling and it'll clean that right up. It must have went bad or overcharged or something on this one. And got some sulphuric acid in the battery tray, but it's kind of odd. It's kind of odd that it doesn't have a drain in it. So there's a new battery going in, but this should help with the corrosion. This is a 2011 Fiesta, Ford Fiesta. Yeah, there is a little drain right there. You can see it's kind of going down right there. But what we'll do now is we'll just get all this off. What happened was this car had the recall, and it was killing the battery all the time. And they brought it over for the recall, and it was winter, so it froze the battery and wrecked the battery. But they only covered the transmission recall. They didn't cover that it froze the battery, so we had to get another battery and put in here after they found out it was no good. So we got to have a before and after shot here. But it works pretty good. You just use baking soda and water and it'll neutralize the acid. I wish I had it close to a water hose because I just spray it out. Just give it lots and keep on washing, but I got another pail of water coming, I think. Maybe I have to run to the well. See if that's enough. It might not be enough. Fill it right up and hopefully it'll go. Probably need another one. Maybe it's plugged up. I think it is. Okay, Ford in their infinite wisdom. See what they did there is they got a drain hole here, and there's still like a quarter-inch or more. It's going to hold it all in. So what we're going to do is right on that far corner, I went and reached behind here. There's nothing that I'm going to hurt. I'm just going to drill a little hole. I'm going to drill a little hole right in the corner here. And I'm not going to go too wicked. That should be it. There it goes. I can see it in there. Maybe that drill bit's a little too small. I'm gonna do a little more here. But yeah, it's starting to go. Okay, so it should come from here, go through there and out. Oh, look at, there's a little step right here. Look at, from here, here is up. Right there would be another good spot. You reach underneath there and Make sure there's no wires or nothing. No, there's nothing there. So I should be able to put one right there. Boy, is that ever goofy. Might have to do some editing, eh? Okay, did you get a picture of that inside? That's how we cleaned up the battery box. Now we're going to put this little battery in. And what I'll do is with my rag here, a little bit of baking soda on it and water. Boy, I should have brought a 10mm wrench, but I'll do that. Don't normally use crescent wrenches. It's underneath that little tab.
Oh yeah.
So if you're doing a battery, when you're putting it together, you put your, well, the way it is, usually you take your negative off first and your positive last. And then when you put it together, see, this is not going to be touching anything, so it doesn't really matter much if you're going to go positive first and negative last. So lost a piece of plastic, little plastic cover. See, they got little arrows. You pull that up so you can get the battery in and out. And it just pops in. Short little cable on there. Normally I would have the proper size wrench, but today I don't. So I'll use the old crescent wrench. Crescent wrenches. These guys don't have to be too tight, end up wrecking them. Okay, and I'll get you to move this stuff. You can start her up. See how she runs. Look at that. I was sitting all winter and away she goes. Perfect. I'll have to tighten these up here. Yep. And we're done. So that's basically what you do if you have corrosion, leave it on top of your battery, your battery posted clamps. You can just use baking soda and water. Works awesome. Thank you for watching.